I have in my hand here a 5 amp connector strip. Basically this is used, as people will be familiar, for joining cables together. It is a total of 12 blocks in it, and it's a modular format. So if you're joining with say 3 cables, you can just break off it here using either a snips or just twisting it here. In terms of the materials that are used for constructing it here, the actual outside housing is plastic. The centre core here is brass, and then the screws on top are galvanised steel. It meets CE specification, and also it meets BS standard 159. If you actually turn over the block on the bottom, you can just see the rating listed on it. So the important thing to note is that it's okay to overspec in terms of use a 5 amp instead of a 3 amp, but it's not okay to underspec. So this is why we have a range, we'll say. Probably the most popular in the range would be something like the 5 amp here, but we'd have 3 amp, 5 amp, all the way up to 60 amp. In terms of the most popular after this, probably something like the 15 amp would be the most popular. So it's available on freetv.ie.